Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video, and this one is about DeFi, guys, which is Web3 AI super app that can be your DeFi portfolio tracker, as well as they are basically a pioneering app when it comes to everything decentralized finance, guys. They're like your one-stop shop for everything. They can help you revoke access from different apps to secure your wallet and do much more, and also they have a really promising token which I'm really bullish on. But before we get into the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, guys, we can dive into this video. So DeFi, guys, what is DeFi? First of all, I wanted to say that they're a very reputable brand because they've been here for a while already, guys, and they are supported by some big names and big companies. So, you know, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Let me prove you that I'm not just talking empty words and that this is factual, okay? So first things first, guys, is Donald Trump Jr. posting about them and posting about their DeFi world. He was speaker here, which is also very bullish, and I'll show you that in a second. So yeah, he tweeted about it, and you know, he's also following them on Twitter, as well as our beloved Mr. Wonderful, aka or well, maybe Kevin O'Leary, aka Mr. Wonderful, but yeah, legendary guy. He was also attending, and you know, it's really bullish that people like this, which are very influential, are into this project as well. Okay, so this is really cool. And also Trump himself, which we can check out right here, is saying that DeFi is the future and will blend with TradeFi. So you know, that's really nice. So there are subtitles here, which you can check out. I'm sorry for putting this without voice, but the thing is, actually, I think it will work.
To sort of, you know, blend, you know, DeFi and CeFi, or DeFi and trad finance together, make the two meet, you know, make them one and the same. I mean, I think the reality is everyone wants sort of that liquidity, and not everyone sort of had access to it. And I sort of learned this sort of the hard way, really through politics over the last few years. I mean,
and how do you see?
So yeah, you can see he was speaking here, attending, and these are his words. Okay, so that's another bullish news here, guys. And on top of that, DeFi is team of 50 people, and they have been building this for 5 years, guys. Okay, their product is now used by over 3 million users. There is a lot of people talking about them, so many people are bullish. Okay, and that's not the end of good news, guys, because they are in fact backed by Coinbase, Binance and OKX, the largest exchanges, which could also mean listing on these exchanges very soon. So if we could see them list on Binance, perhaps this would be crazy bullish news that could guarantee some huge price growth potential as well. And not only they are leading DeFi, this project literally is called DeFi. Their domain is D.Fi on the website, and their Twitter is also DeFi, simply. Okay, and you might think this is a small, you know, small thing, but in fact it's not a small thing in the grand scheme of things, because people talking about DeFi in general, you know, a lot of people will find them, for example, by accident. And like I said, they're the pioneers here. Okay, they are founded in 2020. Multiple cool solutions which you can explore. Obviously I will have the link listed down below in the description of this video, guys, for you, so you can check it out. And you know, this is crazy. And they also announced this huge partnership, guys, with USA, which is on their pinned tweet, as you can see, and it's right here, make DeFi great again. So yeah, that they have announced this huge partnership with USA, guys, and it could be something related to Donald Trump Jr. as well, since he was speaking and since he's really bullish on this himself, right? So yeah, this is the exact post, and yeah, again, he was speaking at the DeFi World, so it's really nice. Alright, guys, so what else I want to tell you? So definitely, you know, the fact that there was so many attendees at this event, including Kevin O'Leary, including Donald Trump Jr. and many other influential people from crypto, speaks volumes for this. Okay, they also have really good testimonials from people using their API, and you can see who they are trusted by. These are some, generally speaking, huge companies, okay, and huge players in the crypto game, guys. So it's really nice to see that. And you know, this is honestly, this is the first project This is the first project that Donald Trump Jr. is tweeting about, okay? So I honestly think that there is some potential that he will add DeFi token into the portfolio of his company, which is World Liberty Finance. And this could be also very bullish news, because lately people are following their investments, and if they could see some DeFi here, this could mean huge pump. So obviously I have my bag secured already. We will see how it goes, right? We will see how it goes. This is crypto at the end of the day, so it could go any direction, right? But definitely this is very interesting, especially, you know, considering the fact that they are preparing for major USA partnership, possibly with Donald Trump Jr. backing DeFi. He might support it as well, you know, because of the tweet. He might add it to World Liberty Finance, which is crazy. So yeah, it definitely has a lot of potential, guys. And again, I'm gonna say that again, that they are backed by Binance, by Coinbase, by OKX. They are trusted by leading crypto companies. So yeah, I have my bag secured. I will load up more probably before it skyrockets. And yeah, that will be it from me for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. Make sure to comment down below what you think about DeFi, whether you've invested or you will not. I want to hear your opinions, and I will definitely integrate with you guys in the comment section. I will be responding to your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.